Stay tuned to see how I hydro dipped this vase and candle holders. Now, I've done hydro dipping on my channel before, but I really like this technique. So this is really just me trying to hydro dip different things. So this week we're going to be working with some little mini glass candle holders and a huge vase. So the same process applies for hydro dipping. You'll just get you a bucket of water or a container of any kind, and then you'll begin to layer your spray paint on the surface of the water, and then you'll dip your item at an angle, allowing all of the paint to cover the surface of whatever you're dipping. For this second candle holder, I didn't respray paint the water. I just went ahead and used what was still there. But when you get ready to do a different item, make sure that you just use your hand to clear the film of the paint off of the surface of the water. That way you can start with a fresh blank canvas of adding your spray paint to the water. And like I said, make sure that you dip the item at an angle so that the spray paint will cover the entire surface of whatever you're dipping. So for this other candle holder, I wanted to try some different colors. So I'm using a different couple of shades of pink. And then also I added a little bit of tan or nutmeg to this set of colors as well. I didn't like how these colors came out as much as the black and gold, but there's just something about black and gold that works in my opinion. So you'll continue to work with each item dipping at an angle. Now with the vase, I want to try something different. Once I cleared the previous film off of the top of the water, I just did a thick layer of black paint, and then I dipped my vase into just the plain black. I wanted to see how layering would work with hydro dipping, because I don't believe I've tried that before. So once I did the just plain black coat of the spray paint, then I went in with gold and added that to the top of the water, creating this little pattern. And then I went back and added a little bit of that nutmeg just to put in a accented look, because I figured this would look good over the black. And then I dipped the vase for a second time. Once your items have dried, you'll add a coat of clear acrylic sealer, and this will be your final version of your hydro dipped candle holders. Like I said, really like just the aesthetic of black and gold. It looks so regal and beautiful to me. The pink ones didn't come out the best, but the great thing about hydro dipping is that you can pretty much start over and go wild with colors and try pretty much anything. And here is the hydro dipped vase. I really like how this came out, you all, because I like that I was able to add the different layers of the gold, of the tan on top of the black. And I really like that I kept the top of the vase clear, and just look at the veining and how the gold and the brown just mixed in on top of that black. Like, oh, so good. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you guys would try to hydro dip, and also give me suggestions for what I should hydro dip next. Thank you for joining me for the last video of 2020. This year has been a wild ride, to say the least, but I hope that my videos have been able to bring you at least some type of joy during the course of this year. I really appreciate any new followers that I've gained, and I look forward to continuing creating into 2021. Make sure you guys stay home, stay safe, celebrate indoors at your own house in your own special kind of way. This is a great time to DIY your own type of celebration while keeping yourself and others safe. All right, so wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day. Signing off for 2020, and always keep creating. All right, I love you guys. Bye.